truck there, that 13 and 15 inch. All the time, right? There's a lot of damage on it. On that section, take that down here. And the final truck to run up the field will be the 7 of Rick Coppernall. We're going to go a couple laps and let's get the Keith Hoosiers. And then we'll line them back up. Settle it for 25 laps. is looking to be the youngest truck winner since the series came to life. I do believe currently Adam Shackelford is the youngest truck winner. He won a feature back in 1998. All-time winningest truck series driver. He has 35 wins to his credit. And you missed the display he put on in the late 90s. Him and Dan Harris and Josh Beer, boy, they put on a whale of a show at National back in the day. The first of many to come for young Derek Crown, holding his checkered flag here at Rockford Speedway. He's your Spring Classic winner. We'll get a word with him here in a minute, get some pictures taken. Good run for Mike Corvo as well to come back and hang on to second. Camden Murphy driving through the field after getting involved in that wreck in the first race, coming all the way back to third.
Okay.
Well, they're still getting some pictures with Derek. We'll duck in here and get a couple words with Mike. Mike, you had a pretty eventful day. You held it, you're in the top 5 the first race. This race went a little bit better for you. Take us through your afternoon.
We were fast in the first heat. We just had some issues with being a little bit loose. We didn't have the stagger we needed. But thanks my Taylor and my dad, CJ, local Union 399, MCS Design Bill, Big One, Platinum Hammer Recycling.
All right, good job today, Mike. Look forward to seeing you at Jefferson. We'll hop over here and get a quick word with our quick qualifier who battled his way back to third today. Stitches is the name of the truck, and I think you're going to have to add a few more to it.
That it is, that's for sure. Unfortunately, you know, but it's part of Rockford and part of coming here. It's great racing, that's for sure. But hey, it's a season opener. Unfortunately, tore her up a little bit, but we'll be back together getting ready for Madison, that's for sure.
Great job today, Camden. Congratulations on your quick qualifier award. Good run there in the second race. Let's pop over here and get the word with our young winner of the second feature. We're awaiting the results of our overall. I do believe we have a tie on top. A couple more pictures here for Derek. We'll step in. American Ethanol Super Truck Series will be in action again next month at the Jefferson Speedway. Come check us out. Be sure to join us on Facebook or Twitter, our social media pages, so you can keep up to date with all the news and events that are going on with our series.
We went to the Hills, we know nobody back is done. It's so much more fun just to race until you're done. Yeah, the black hat? Yeah. We had no pressure. I don't know. I agree with that. Oh, yeah. That thing has fun. Yeah. We're like fourth.
All right, let's duck in here quick and get a word with you. Derek, I talked to you this morning. You were pretty confident in your truck, and you showed it in that second race. Congratulations, guy. How'd you do it?
Thanks. I wanted to have a little crew. Cam, my dad, mom, my sisters were coming to clean the car, and the spotter, Craig, for telling me inside and outside.
See, that last restart, were you nervous at all with it being on the inside like that?
Yeah, I was pretty nervous, but I knew that the outside was pretty much lined me in and it was hard to pass on the inside, but I was pretty confident.
Well, great job today. Congratulations on your win. We'll get the official results of the overall here in a minute. I do believe you're in contention for the overall crown today. All right, so our official results here for our top three today. Finishing third by virtue of his win in the first race, and his finish here in the second one, the 93 machine of Chester Ace. We get Chester to pop over here. We'll get a word with him here. He's finishing second, the 8 truck of Kurt Clevin. And Kurt, you had a pretty exciting time over there in turns 1 and 2 this time.
Yeah, I don't know where that came from. Clear, and then all of a sudden I was all the way to the lock and pedaling it, trying not to spin out. I don't know what happened.
Well, good day overall. You finished second. Nice job today. Are you going to be in this truck again?
Oh yeah, we're going to run as many races as we can.
Good job. Well, good to see you, Kurt. We'll look forward to seeing you again at Jefferson. Let's take a minute here. Chester, you won the first race. Rain was coming down. We didn't get a chance to talk to you. So good job on that one. And nice job finishing second here third overall today. What do you want to thank?
Yeah, I got to thank all my sponsors and my dad. Put a lot of hours in the truck, and yeah, we wish it could come out a little bit better, but there just ain't no bottom group here, but it is what it is, and we're going to be ready for the next race.
Good job. Congratulations again today. We look forward to seeing you again. That is our top three for the American Ethanol Super Truck Series here today. Thank you very much for sticking with us and just being here in general. This is a great racetrack. This is my first time being at Rockford Speedway in the announcers booth. Thanks, Eric, for having us down here. And it's been a pleasure, my man.
Absolutely. It's been fun to share the booth with you. Matt Body, the voice of the American Ethanol Super Truck Series, with a very entertaining presentation with a bunch of very entertaining presenters. Oh, I really like these super trucks. And guess what? If you like what you saw, they are back during National Short Track Championship. Over at Onyx Barn Grill in the corner of 251 and 173 at the Chesney Crossing.